This is the iPhone 16 Pro, and these are the new PITAKA cases that features completely new designs. Like the previous PITAKA MagEZ cases, the new ones are slim and light, measuring only 1.19mm thick and weighing around 22 grams. If you love thin and light cases, these will suit you perfectly. So let's take a look at them. First up is the new rebuilding series of cases that PITAKA created in collaboration with a popular Chinese brand. The case features a dual tone design with prominent black threads and the rebuilding text and the band's logo in grey colors. On the inner side of the case, you will find PITAKA's amber magnet film technology that allows the case to be so thin. Even with such a thin film of magnets, the MagSafe connection is secure and you won't have any accidental dislodging of your MagSafe accessories. So let's put the case on and see how it looks. This is how the case looks from the back, and this is how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the other side. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Now, let's check the MagSafe connectivity of this case. As you can see, I cannot dislodge the phone even if I shake it. Just listen to the sound the MagSafe connector makes when attached to the phone. It's a secure connection, no doubt. Now, let's check out the second color of the case. It features green aramid fibers with alternative dark and light grey threads for the logo and the text. Here's how the case looks from the side and the other side. Next up, we have the PITAKA cases with the new PTK logo on the back. So let's put it on the iPhone and see how it looks. First up, we have the case in the red color featuring the new logo in faded light red colors. Let's take a look at the side, the top, and the other side. Like other PITAKA cases, this one also features a lip around the camera to prevent it from scratching when you put your phone face up. The front, however, offers no such protection to the display, and I would recommend you use a screen protector. If you are looking for one, we recommend the Bench screen protector, which is on my iPhone. You can click the I button or the link in the video description to watch our review for that. Finally, we have the green PTK design case, and here's how it looks. I prefer this color over the red one, but that's my personal choice. Take a look at all these cases side by side and let us know which case you prefer for your iPhone 16 Pro. You can find links to all these cases in the video description and the pinned comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check these recommended videos for more coverage of PITAKA cases. Thanks for watching and have a great day.